In this video, I'm going to show you how we can easily know a phone number of a Telegram user. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Telegram app. Then scroll down until you find the user whose phone number you want to know. Then tap at that user to get into a conversation. After that, at the very top, tap at their name, and if the person hasn't hidden their phone number with the privacy settings, we'll see it right here. After that, we can tap at that phone number and we can make a Telegram call, Telegram video call, phone call, or we can copy that number and then we can paste it somewhere. We can share this phone number with another user, or we can create, let's say, a new contact with that phone number. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button.